Welcome to linuxhelp.com. For today's topic, I will show you how to create Active Directory services in AWS. AWS Directory Service for Microsoft Active Directory, also known as AWS Managed Microsoft Active Directory, enables your directory-aware workloads and AWS resources to use Managed Active Directory in AWS. AWS Microsoft AD is built on actual Microsoft AD and does not require you to synchronize or replicate data from your existing Active Directory to the cloud. You can use the standard AD administration tool and take advantage of the built-in AD features such as group policies and single sign-in on AWS Directory Service for Microsoft Active Directory. It enables you to join Amazon EC2 instance to your domain easily and support many AWS and third-party applications and services. It also can support most of the common use case of small and mid-sized businesses. So now let's move on the AWS Management Console and we configure their Active Directory. So I am on my AWS Management Console. If we go Security and Identity Compliance, you will find Directory Service here. Click on Directory Service. To set up a directory, click on Setup Directory. Here you will find three types of directory. The first of all is AWS Managed Microsoft AD. And the second, Amazon Cognito User Pool, in which you have to create a user pool and they will attach with the Amazon Cognito. So I'll move to my AWS Managed Microsoft AD. Click Next. Here you will find there are two types of version, Standard Edition and Enterprise Edition. And in Standard Edition, you will find that you can create 30,000 of objects in that thing. But in the case of Enterprise Edition, you can 500,000 objects. So I will go with the Standard Edition. Provide your directory DNS name. It's a fully directory name. You can provide like example.com. I will leave NetBIOS name, and if you want to provide directory description, you can provide. For now, the default administration password for this domain is admin. You have to remember the password. So in further case, when you connect your machine to this controller, so you must log in with your user. So I'm providing here password. Now click Next. Now here choose VPC and subnets. I am working with the default VPC here, which is already configured. In the section of subnets, you will find there are three subnets here. Now provide subnets. Okay, click Next. Now review all the settings, and after once you have completed, then click on Create Directory. Now I have created a directory. You can see here your directory example.com is being created, and this can take up to 20 to 45 minutes to come up. You can see here your directory is in a status of creating. So meanwhile, I will create the one of the instance from my EC2. So go to your EC2 instance dashboard, click on instance and click on the launch instance. Here you will find Windows R2 instance I am going to create. Now select free tier. And now you can find Windows Server 2012 R2 base. Select it and select it to micro. Now with all the default configuration, I am creating this instance. Click Add Storage, Add Tags. Now provide the name for your instance. I am providing the name AD manage. Now click next. Now I am defining the security group which I have already created. You need to have RDP. You must have to include RDP connection in your instance security group. Now click launch. After all the review, after cross-verify all the reviews, click on the launch and your instance have been created. It will take some 1 to 2 minutes to come up. So now my instance is running properly. Now I'm taking the RDP connections for my instance, copying the DNS. I'll provide here connect. It will ask for the username and password. First we have to go to our instance and select it. Action, image security, get Windows password, browse your keys and decrypt password. You will find your administration password. Mention this username there in RDP and provide your password there. Now it will lead to your remote access instance. Now this is your login window sign. It will take little bit time. So this is your Windows Server 2012 R2 base. Now if you go here in your Windows, now click on the documents. Now click on the documents. Click on this PC and right click on it. Go to properties. And there you will find in workgroup section that this is a workgroup only. This means this machine is a standalone. So I will change this setting. Click on change setting. And in this section, change your workgroup by clicking change and click on domain. Here you will provide your domain name as you mentioned before, example.com. Click OK. And this is the error you are getting. Active Directory domain controller for the domain example.com could not be contracted. So this is a basic error. You just need to provide your DNS name in your server machine. So go to your directory. Here we will find you have assigned with the DNS address. You just copy this address and go to your RDP, remote access. Now click on the search button, type the run, and it will open the run command. Sorry, type in ncpa.cpl to change the network configuration. And provide here the DNS name. This is the DNS server I am providing here. Okay. Now go to your work group, change setting there. And provide your domain name. Click OK. Now you can access. So now provide your username as admin and password at the time when you have created the Active Directory. Click OK. Now you will see this welcome to example.com domain, and you must restart your computer to apply these changes. So you have to restart your system. It's a mandatory thing. Click restart now. I am logged into this machine using the local administrator, and now I can join it by creating domain or name, which I have the domain name created example.com. So copy your DNS name from your instance and open your RDP. Now click connect. Here I'm showing as an administrator, but we can choose another option by clicking on more choice, use a different account. Now provide your domain name here. Example \admin and provide your password and click OK. Through which you will see that you can access your domain name also. You can access your machine with the domain name also. Click yes. And you can see here that example/admin. This means this is your domain entry here. So to verify, click on this, right click on this PC. Go to properties. You will see here the domain name as example.com shown here. So this is the method through which you can create your Active Directory service in AWS. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.